Welcome back to the channel, and this is an overview of how to talk to Microsoft Copilot. Now, large language models that are used inside of Microsoft Copilot, OpenAI, GPT, and Anthropic Claude, these large language models, love being talked to. If you think about it, when you type, you really constrain the output to written language, and it doesn't necessarily provide all the nuance that happens when you speak naturally. So if you're wanting to provide context to a large language model, such as trying to explain what the intended output is and what type of format you'd like and all of the different details you want to provide your large language model, in this case Copilot, speaking is a far more efficient and a far more effective way. Now, inside of Microsoft Copilot, there is a little microphone button, and there's also the voice control component. So you'll see the little pop-up dialog box here that says press and hold Windows C, if you're using a Windows PC, of course. Hit Windows C and then talk to Copilot from anywhere in your Windows platform. So let's do that right now. I would love to know about the inputs that are needed to create a Microsoft Sway.
Sure thing. Let's talk about what goes into creating a Microsoft Sway. Sway is a tool for creating interactive reports, presentations, and stories.
So there you'll see the output in text, but it was as simple as clicking Windows C and talking. So this is the natural language backwards and forwards talking to the assistant. So you can start a new voice chat by hitting this little dialog box down the bottom here. Another way is you can just start dictation, which is speech to text directly into the interface. So if I click this Start Dictation button and have the cursor inside the Message Copilot dialog box, when I click the Start Dictation, it may ask me to enable my microphone, but I'll be able to talk directly into the dialog box. I'm curious to understand some of the different ways of using Microsoft Loop as a health and safety professional to communicate between meetings that I've had to my team members. And then here, away we go. Okay, so that's it for today. Windows plus C, if you want to activate a voice chat, you can also activate a voice chat by clicking this little vertical voice wave file icon, and then the Start Dictation option will be able to pop your cursor into the Message Copilot and click that button there. So that's it for this video. Catch you next time. Bye.